I like my watches exactly how I like my woman. Complicated, discreet, with nothing to prove, but with a super rich pedigree. Now this one that I have here might look like just a regular watch from a distance. But as you get closer, you see it's a very elegant watch from IWC. It's a Portuguese, the elegant dress line. This brand is famous for its pilots' watches, as they had a significant presence during the World Wars. But in my opinion, this line comes with the same or even greater quality. It has an essential aspect in watches that I really like, which is to fly under the radar for everyone. I don't really like when people recognize the watches I wear. I'd rather have them ask me, and I simply tell them the brand, and then comes the surprise. Oh, it's an IWC, I didn't know. But then there's the next surprise factor of this watch, because maybe from afar it looks like a regular Portuguese, but no. This watch has a complication called a Rattrapante Chronograph. Just as it sounds, because it sounds pretty impressive, it is. Basically, this complication allows the chronograph to time two events at once. And it's all thanks to this button up here. Let's say you want to time two people running from point A to point B. You want to measure the time each one took. Well, simply start the chronograph as you normally would, and then when the first person crosses the finish line, you press the upper left button, and when the second person crosses, you press the upper right button. This lets you record 2 times with the same chronograph. Is this something you'll use in your daily life? Probably not. Is it useful day to day? No. But it is really cool to show this off to anyone who asks about your watch. It's exactly this type of watch that has those hidden details that I love. They're things only the wearer will understand and appreciate until you show them to others. The fact that it has a manually wound mechanical movement highly modified by IWC to incorporate its complication is pretty special. I mean, they obviously kept it manual because an automatic movement would have made the watch extremely thick. But it's something quite unique, something you don't see every day. This watch features a champagne silver dial, which is incredibly elegant, with those golden hands and the seconds hand that are blued by heat. All of these factors make it a very versatile watch. You can pair it with just about any strap color. It originally came with a black crocodile strap, but I'm more of an exotic person. I could put on a blue, gray, green or olive strap look because it looks spectacular and it perfectly matches the vibe and elegance of the watch. Now it's funny because a chronograph is considered a sports watch, but this watch is so finely made and so elegant that you can wear it with a suit in a spectacular way. I think you can tone it down with different types of straps for a more casual watch, although I really find it hard to take off the olive green strap because it looks stunning. If I had to criticize one thing about this watch, it would be that I don't like that it doesn't show the movement, but I mean, not everyone can be perfect. This type of watch is exactly what I like to have in my collection. Watches that fly under the radar, that people might see and not even notice, yet they are watches that I enjoy. I might never use a chronograph, but knowing I have the option to do so in a mechanical watch is amazing. Now let me know in the comments what type of watches you like, and I'll see you here next time.